Hi there, welcome to Bio 20, and in this video we'll learn the expectations to do successful in this class. So the first thing you need to do is look in the introduction. This is where you'll be able to actually introduce yourself to the class by answering these 4 questions. Keep in mind, this is the Flipgrid password you'll need to input to log in to see the intro of Mr. Delasanti 2021-22 and so forth by clicking on here, and then you'll have access to it. Once you've done that, go under the course information, and in the course information, you'll be realizing that what's essential is the course information, where it gives you how much I'm assessing you and so forth in this course. Gives you deadlines, tool textbooks and resources. The textbooks is important because there's 2 textbooks we could be using. The primary one is the Intro into Biology. That's the green book. Nelson Biology is the secondary one. So I reference both of them throughout the course. And this is where you could find the chapters and the units and so forth. Just giving you heads up on that. How I'm evaluating you under the assessment and evaluation. It tells you what formative is and what summative is, but this is the weighting that they'll be giving you in the end. The other thing that I want to bring up and under the course information gives you the details of what we'll be studying and so forth. This is the green book I was telling you, Intro to Biology. Now, if you need to contact me, the best way to do that is look on the right-hand side, and you'll be realizing that Moodle messaging, this is the Moodle messaging by clicking on here, and then find my name by clicking up here, Angelo Billy, and then it should find me, and then of course you click on it, and then there I am. Then you add a message in there and so forth. And then of course you'll see a little 1 once there's a message waiting for you. You don't have to do it that way. The other way of doing it, of course, is doing through email. Here it is right here. Or you can even text me. Now keep in mind, video conference, just let me know. I'll send you a Google Meet, or we could even go through Skype and so forth. These are my office hours, 8:45 to 3:30. Keep in mind, once you hand in a piece of work, it'll take about 48 hours at max to give it back to you. But if it's during the weekend, unfortunately, you have to wait until Monday to get that marked, as it's not a holiday. Replying, I usually reply within 24 hours once you send a message. On weekends, it will be Monday, the earliest will be looked at, unless it's a holiday. To move on in the course, you will have to do the school policy. Once you do the school policy, there's 3 questions there. Answer them successfully, and then you can move on to the unit 1. How it looks like in each unit is always an assignment. So there's 11 assignments in this course, and then there is a lesson. So always open up the lesson. Once you open up, you will realize that there's key terms on the right hand side. There's little activities to help you and so forth. Read the question, of course, turn the card, it'll give you the answer. Look right here, it says card 1 of 2. So, of course, you want to click on the next page, turn it, and it'll give you the answer again. So, these are just little interactivities to help you throughout the course. But you will realize if you go to the next page, which is page 2, which is also found in the table of contents, read the material. It tells you what pages you should be reading to from your textbook. If you click on it, it does go to your textbook. It does sometimes gives you videos too to help you understand the concepts throughout. Here is the important bit. This is going to be for marks, the self-check assessment. To do that, you just have to click on it. And then, yes, there are questions here and so forth. But what the most important bit, this is the part you'll get graded. Test your new knowledge. You click on here, goes to a new page. Then attempt quiz now. When you click on it, these are the questions that I'll be marking. I believe you could, how many times can you do that? Let me just take a quick look here. Let's go back in there. Here, the lesson. And then self-check assessments. It tells you, when you click on it, graded method, highest grade. So this means you could do this as many attempts as you like until you get the highest grade you like. Now, does that mean you have the same questions? It might not. So just giving you a heads up, that's what it looks like for that. Those are your self-assessments. Now for the assignments, you will realize right here, you click on that, your assignment, attempt quiz now, looks very similar with multiple choice and so forth. If there's a multiple choice question worth more than 1 mark, that means you have to include workings. Any questions with long answer, you could write the answers right in the box there. You can attach photos and so forth by clicking on here. You could do a video recording, a voice recording too, links if you like a Google Drive link, and so forth. So you have those features. Don't forget you have to click a finish attempt more than once until you get that attempt finished. In a nutshell, that's what your course looks like. If there's any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. But there's also a calendar to show you when deadlines are and so forth. So just giving you heads up on that. Otherwise, I wish you the best luck in this course.